The Autocar 2025 Spurter is set to redefine the standards of modern automobiles with its cutting-edge design, luxurious interiors, and powerful performance under the hood. As the latest flagship model, it embodies a seamless blend of aesthetics, innovation, and engineering brilliance, making it a standout in the automotive landscape. From the outside, the Autocar 2025 Spurter exudes an unmistakable presence with its aerodynamic silhouette and sculpted lines. The front fascia boasts a bold grille with an intricate mesh pattern, seamlessly integrating with sleek LED matrix headlights that provide superior visibility and a futuristic appeal. The bodywork features a combination of lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber, enhancing both performance and efficiency. The low-slung stance, coupled with aggressive air intakes and a dynamic roofline, ensures optimal aerodynamics, reducing drag while enhancing stability. The rear end is equally striking, featuring a full-width LED taillight design and an integrated spoiler that not only adds to its sporty aesthetics but also improves downforce at high speeds. Large alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires complete the commanding road presence, making the 2025 Spurter a true head-turner. Stepping inside, the interior of the Autocar 2025 Spurter is a testament to luxury and advanced technology. The cabin is designed with a driver-centric approach, incorporating premium materials such as fine leather, Alcantara, and real wood trim. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved infotainment display that seamlessly merges with the digital instrument cluster, offering an intuitive user experience. Ambient lighting enhances the futuristic ambiance, with customizable settings to match the driver's mood. The ergonomic seats are designed for ultimate comfort, featuring heating, cooling, and massage functions to ensure a relaxing drive. The center console houses a touch-sensitive control panel, reducing the need for physical buttons and enhancing the minimalist aesthetic. A state-of-the-art sound system, developed in collaboration with a renowned audio brand, delivers an immersive experience, making every journey enjoyable. Passenger comfort is further enhanced with generous legroom, climate control zones, and premium upholstery, ensuring a first-class experience for everyone on board. Under the hood, the Autocar 2025 Spurter is powered by a highly sophisticated hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with an advanced electric motor. This setup produces an impressive output, ensuring blistering acceleration and exceptional efficiency. The intelligent all-wheel drive system adapts to various road conditions, providing optimal traction and stability. A cutting-edge suspension system, coupled with adaptive dampers, guarantees a smooth and composed ride even at high speeds. The 2025 Spurter also features an advanced regenerative braking system, which not only improves efficiency but also enhances braking performance. The inclusion of AI-driven driving assistance features ensures a safe and effortless driving experience, with functions such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking making daily commuting a breeze. The vehicle's battery management system is designed for rapid charging, allowing for quick top-ups without compromising performance. With its striking design, opulent interior, and exhilarating performance, the Autocar 2025 Spurter is a masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of automotive excellence. Whether on city streets or open highways, it delivers an unparalleled driving experience that perfectly blends style, comfort, and power, making it a true icon in the world of modern automobiles.